What up, mother? Oh yeah, that's right. Cause I'm cool.
This is a Southeast production.
I got this. Going swimming. Yeah, there's a butterfly moth thing staring at me.
How long has that window been broken?
What window? Oh, forever? Look at the moth, he's just chilling. He's like, no, don't do that. He doesn't like your stuff.
Scared me.
A creature called the Kaitlyn. Very elusive in the wild. It's very hard to find one of them. They're usually hanging around, I don't know really. We're quiet. No, I'm making a documentary. Kaitlyn is a very aggressive creature. A very interesting fact. And once you get her to start stripping, you can't get her to stop. Put some of that queen on there!
Go on down yonder, give me a fish.
I don't think Billy will like that. You know, it's his responsibility to go get the fishing. They crouch in the wild to catch their prey. iPods and cameras and speakers. But once in a while. Oh, there we go! Love.
What's wrong with me? I am like mentally, physically challenged. Katie's gonna come float with us.
When?
She says she was on her way.
What time
are you doing?
What time is it?
It's like 5:30. What is going on down there?
I'm riding a horse.
I want to do that. Let me try.
No. No. I got water in my eye.
The way the bullets clip to the sound
To
of
the beat.
Hey! Another one bites the dust. And another one goes, and another one goes. Bites the dust. No! Get the key!
Here.
I dropped the lock in the pool.
Oh no! I use my horse powers.
There you go.
It's not a good idea to keep important things near water, guys. What?
She's already dropped her camera once.
I did. I dropped you guys. I kicked you off the ladder and the waterproof wasn't on, and I was like, oh no! What are you doing there, pony?
Got me a horse.
You're like My Little Pony all over again.
Another one bites the dust.
Hey, I gotta get you too. Another one bites the dust.
I know what I would pick. You too, bitches. She's got floaties up her vagina.
No, they're on my legs.
Up her vagina. Up her vagina. She's lying to you. Okay, they're up her vagina. I swear. I don't care. Come underwater with me. Come underwater. Do it! Now. Go underwater. You're gold if you can do it.
I think I'm awesome.
And Narnia. Did you just say veg? Pretty much. I think you've got a great look. We're just gonna help you get into the right state of mind for the right kind of date.
Who's your dream girl?
My dream girl, she would be like a lawyer, like a doctor, or like somebody who is just like super busy all the time. And I'm like, me too, babe. I'm busy doing work. You're looking to be the boss, applesauce. This is an outfit, and you know there could be a girl in it. I mean, there is.
So, you know what? We paired these with these shoes.
This is what happens when you get drunk with skinny people.
We paired that say, not only am I boss applesauce, but I like to supersize my fun.
Supersize my feet.
Supersize my dick.
What if I want a lady who's kind of fun too? Yeah, I mean, you've seen what it's like when I'm around somebody I'm attracted to.
You stop talking and look down.
Yeah.
Where you going?
Jay, what's wrong with her?
Baby, I don't know. Santa. I got hose. Travel. That's actually the place I excel in pulling tail. Is the past.
In the time traveling?
No. In a leap? In quantum universes. Dive bars.
Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what? Brian, don't!
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But birds are word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But birds are word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But birds are word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But birds are word, Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Well, a bird, bird. But birds are word, well, a bird.
She's taking pictures of me taking pictures of her taking pictures. It's Inception! Oh my god! That's Inception. Inception. Red Solo cup. I fill you up. Let's have a party. Oh my god. It's so intense. For no reason.
These pictures are coming out terrible. She says night.
At least she said night. What are you doing?
Oh, my toes felt weird. Where did my pen go?
No! So, I was just watching back through some older vlogs from the beginning of this season, and I want to try and see if you guys can do this. Watch my intro clip, okay? I'll put it, well, it's at the beginning of this video, you guys saw it. Go back, watch that, and tell me the days that each of those clips came from. I want to see if you guys can do this, because I have no idea. I have no idea the list of days. I want to see if you can do it. So I'm going to call it a night, guys. I love you. Make sure you subscribe and like and leave me comments, because I'm definitely going to see them. And I'm definitely going to see you guys tomorrow, because you're going to see me tomorrow. And I'm definitely going to step it up on these vlogs, because the past few days it's been kind of crap. Because I love you guys, and this whole 1 year thing, about to get real intense. You know, YouTube is really important to me, and I don't know how many times, I think I just like spit or something, I don't know, but I don't know how many times I've told you guys why I do this, and why you're important to me, and why I love you, but you are, and, yeah. So, I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.